Hey friends, I am going to show you how to make an easy 2-ingredient Oreo mug cake. At first, place all the cookies in a microwaveable mug and crush it with a fork. Now pour milk and crush together with a fork until thick and slightly chunky. Now keep on adding milk slowly and mix well. If you want to make your mug cake fluffier, add 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, it's optional. Use little milk for a thicker consistency or more for a creamier consistency. Now place in the microwave for about 47 to 50 seconds, and that's it. Poke a toothpick to check if it's well cooked and indulge in a healthy and guilt-free mug cake. Sprinkle with your favorite toppings if desired. Enjoy! Yummy! It's so delicious. Do you want to taste it? Then start making it. A chocolatey dessert that uses only 2 ingredients and cooks in less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.